You may have never heard of them, but I love Neewer products. They make smart, professional lighting that frankly nearly every YouTuber depends on these days. But that's just the thing. Neewer makes professional lights, like these. So when the company reached out and asked if I wanted to try their new floor lamp for consumers, well, I had to give it a try. And not just because it kind of looks like a lightsaber. Here's everything you need to know, including why you should probably buy one. The new Neewer. Neewer. That's a trick to say. The new Neewer NF01 corner floor lamp is an intriguing product with a boring name. I mean, seriously, NF01, the NF is clearly short for Neewer floor, and then the 1 for first product, which means this is the Neewer floor first product corner floor lamp, and that's, maybe they'll do better the next time. But weird names aside, considering it comes from a company that primarily focuses on professional lights, I had some doubt that Neewer's first smart home product would stand up to other great options like Govee, especially considering Neewer's current app is really bad. But honestly, I didn't have to worry so much. This thing is great. The first thing you do when the box arrives is assemble the lamp, and it's really easy. Just slide each piece into place with the bracing bracket between the two and add screws. Then push the LED strip into place once you've finished assembling everything. The whole process took all of 10 minutes, and half of that was probably reading the instructions. And here we go, one assembled Neewer floor lamp, and I rather like the way it looks. That's probably because it somewhat resembles a lightsaber, and as a geek who owns just a few of those, that makes me a fan. But I also like that it's subtle and understated. As the name implies, this is meant to be something you stick in the corner, and the light show is the real draw here, not the lamp. Speaking of that light show, it's pretty good. Despite some marketing claims for Neewer, this isn't, at least on paper, the brightest floor lamp in its category. Neewer claims this floor lamp will deliver up to 1500 lumens, while the Govee Lamp 2 delivers 1725 lumens, and the Govee Lamp Pro promises up to 2100 lumens. But both those lamps cost more, and when I put the Neewer lamp next to the Govee Pro lamp I own, it's honestly hard to tell the difference in brightness. At least the Govee entry doesn't seem $50 worth of brighter. What would make my day $50 brighter is if you hit that subscribe button. I wasn't worried about Neewer's ability to make a good light though. That's old hat for this company. Now the real problem, I feared, is the app. Neewer's pro-grade app is, in a word, bad. It looks bad, it's hard to control, and adding any new lights or sliders or other devices is a chore. I actually avoid using Neewer's app as much as possible. The good news is Neewer didn't put the floor lamp on that app. Instead, you download Neewer's home app, and that's a lot better. So much better that I kind of wish this was the app I used to control my professional lights. You get most of the features you'd expect from a smart light app, from color and brightness control to scenes and more. But it's missing a couple of options, like the ability to slow down animations. A couple of them flicker so fast that I'm not willing to show them on screen for fear of causing someone a seizure. The app will let you set up schedules, link to Amazon or Google smart home systems, and use AI to tailor the lights. Show the AI a picture and it'll create a little light effect inspired by that picture. Honestly, not everything needs or benefits from AI, but whatever, I just won't use that. Overall, especially as a first entry, this is a solid product from Neewer. This light is well made, easy to put together, and comes with a very good, if not quite feature-complete app. And I really like the price. At $100, it's less expensive than Govee's floor lamp 2, and frankly, that's a steal. If you're looking for a nice way to add some accent lighting to your home, you should buy this. That's it for now, but don't forget to subscribe, or maybe consider becoming a YouTube member. Members get early access to videos and shoutouts. Until next time, bye!